Moving on, Russia was the first nation in the world to approve a COVID-19 vaccine. Russian COVID jab is in use in more than 70 nations. But today, Russia is struggling to inoculate its own population. The situation is so bad that Russia is currently under a nationwide paid holiday to stem the soaring infections. Hospitals across the Russian cities are struggling to deal with the daily rise in the number of COVID patients. Some of the hospitals are short of anesthetics and infectious disease specialists. Most COVID patients need oxygen support and the supply is tight. Patients are forced to wait for several hours in ambulances. Doctors at hospitals are afraid that there aren't enough beds to treat the patients. Surging coronavirus cases have put doctors under extraordinary strain here.
Касается нашей больницы, мы уже, наверное, более 2 недель, а то и больше работаем под выписку. То есть места появляются только, скажем так, утром, часов в 11, когда пациенты готовятся на выписку. И до конца суток практически эти же места заполняются новыми пациентами.
Можно решить, можно поставить вдоль коридора, протянуть кислородную линию и вдоль всего коридора наставить коек. Но ведь я ведь тоже не смогу всех нормально лечить. У меня тоже количество медсестер.
While official figures on the pandemic's toll vary widely, there are also concerns that officials are not reporting the real daily number of COVID deaths. According to the National Coronavirus Task Force, cumulative deaths stood at 239,693 as of Monday. But the state statistics office puts the figures nearly twice as high, which is around 462,000 since April 2020. Meanwhile, according to a Reuters tally, the number of excess deaths in Russia in the same period was more than 632,000 in comparison with the average mortality rate in the period of 2015 to 2019. Some experts say that underreporting of deaths has made people more complacent.
Людям говорят, что заболеваемость растет, но при этом показывают буквально единичную смертность, да, то есть вот у нас показывают, 200 заболело, умерло 1, 2, умерло 0. Ну, естественно, у людей возникают мысли, а смысл бежать мне на вакцинацию, если это, в принципе, не страшнее гриппа.
Russia is one of the worst-hit countries in the world. COVID deaths are reaching new records with more than 1,000 fatalities a day. Although Russia has rolled out several homegrown vaccines, only about a third of the population is fully inoculated. There are a host of factors that doctors believe fed the spread of the disease. Besides vaccine hesitancy, it is the mixed messaging from authorities, inconsistent policies, unreliable statistics, to name a few here. Russia has reverted to its tightest restrictions since the early months of the pandemic. Moscow has been shuttered during a nationwide holiday to curb the infections. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.